Assalamualaikum. My name is Mareem Imran and my group members are Faika Ashram, Tarbanur and Samir Yusuf. Today we are here to deliver a training program of digital transformation of employees. The outline of our presentation includes introduction, importance, overview and justification of the contents, objective, methods for conducting training, learning outcomes. First of all, introduction. In this report, we are developing a training program for shifting employees from the traditional ways with regards to the government sector of Pakistan. This topic is chosen because we know the world is running digitally now and the digitization and the technology hold the promise of progress, prosperity for almost every country including Pakistan. The digital medium is considered cost effective with a wide reach which comes with many benefits for the people around the globe as they get the easiest access to the information anytime, anywhere through multiple digital devices. Now let's discuss the importance of the chosen topic. The business world is changing as fast as the advancement in the technological area. The dynamics of the world are totally transformed. Few months back, nobody has thought, or any business have thought that the digitalization would be as much important as it is now. The pandemic of the coronavirus had made us realize that the digitalization is running the world, and the businesses will only be successful if they are digitized. Not only the business but also the economies. All the businesses and economies around the globe, made by private or government, are transforming themselves from traditional to digitalization, and it has benefited them in many several ways. But in Pakistan, we see that only few of our organizations are transforming themselves, but the government sector is lagging way behind, and that is why there is almost zero efficiency in the government departments of Pakistan. We think that if the data management systems are used in a government organization, or their all data is placed somewhere online, so it will help them a lot. At the moment, we see that the government task takes a lot of time and it is very costly. It would really help if everything would be digital. Due to the traditional ways of things, the task keeps on piling up and it takes days to months to compile one task. Now, if digital transformation takes place, all the data will be uploaded on a safe cloud which can be accessed anywhere rather than going from a stack of files by the authorized person. So we think that there is a dire need for updating the system, as it would benefit both the public and organization. It will help improve the efficiency and productivity of the task. Let's go through the overview and justification of the contents. Firstly, to understand, digitization is a process of converting information into digital format. Digitization is a process by which technology lowers the cost of storing, sharing, and analyzing data. Gone are the days when the government perceived information technology is a supporting function. No, today it is the most important function for running an economy and also a business. In today's rapidly changing environment, emerging technologies have taken center stage as how the government are serving their citizens. Government authorities today are now liable for making and executing IT technique should be aware of the way that computerized change is the excess of trendy expression. Even though this government is taking new initiatives towards the IT, but there is a still huge gap which they need to tap. Some of the advancement result in a huge benefit, such as increase in productivity. If we digitize all the documents of the government sector, the productivity will be increased, as the data will be easily available to the everyone. Every staff member which is authorized can access the data easily anywhere in the world. If there will be no transformation of the stack of the files from one department to another, the data can easily be accessed, so it will reduce in delays and result in productivity. Higher flexibility and diversity, as all the securely available to every authorized person, the task can be performed more flexibly and diverse workforce can be hired. Improved efficiency. Due to the availability of the required information on hand, employees will tend to perform their job more effectively. They will not have to wait for the documents arrive, hence they can combat the delays, and the public matters can be resolved more effectively. Because as the data will be available online, everyone can use the data more than one time on their laptop screens, and data can be downloaded from the cloud, so they don't have to wait to go through the stack of files. Rather than they can just download their report, or they can just download their file anywhere in the world and get their task done. Faster decision making. As all the information can be accessed by just tapping a word or by just tapping a serial number, it will it will make it will help the decision processes rather than going through all the steps of finding the required information. They would just download the required file and get the work done. Higher standardization. High level of sophistication and standardization can be provided to all the citizens. Improvement in efficiency and quality. The task will be performed on time, effectively, without any delays that will generate a quality work. Shortening the communication chain. Rather than the digitalized record system can easily be accessible, and it also reduces the communication gap. Chain. The communication chain through which one officer sends a file to another officer to get the authorization or get it signed, that can be reduced as the information or the file can be transferred via email in a PDF form or a Word file. It can get back within seconds and signature. This reduces the communication chain. Now the Samreen will further discuss the importance and advantages of going digitized.
Transformation or using latest technology and using these data management software. So I am here to discuss more benefits of digitalization so that you have clear idea that if you are going to adopt digitalization, then it will benefit to you for your personal development and your personal career, and also for organizational development and productivity plus efficiency. The first point I am here to discuss is facilitating better information exchange for staff and users. The benefit of digitalization is that whenever you need to exchange information with your staff and with the users, the easy way to share is through digitalization, is through the use of these different softwares which can easily be available to you, and it's easy to use them. The next point, the next benefit that you need to know is the better response time and customer service. As we all know, customers are the assets of any organization. The success and failure of our products and our profitability is dependent upon our customers. If our customers are satisfied with us, then they will buy again and again and become our loyal customers. If we are giving them the better services than our competitors, so how we are going to give them a better service and better response time is it is due to this that we use these data management software. For example, if a customer comes to you and he has a query, and he just tell you about his query or his complaint, you just in no time send that query back to the department, and this department send that query to the concerned department. For example, maybe it is related to the quality, the manufacturing, the packaging, the color, or anything. That concerned department will sit and just read the query and take corrective actions. All this is done in just minimum time. But if you are behaving or working manually, then if a customer come to you, then you take a long time to record his or her query, his or her complaint, and then when you have to send back to the concerned department, then it will take months and months, and your customer will be dissatisfied and switch to the competitor. So using of these software and these data management system, you can easily be response to your customer's complaint and query in the best possible way and in minimum time. The next benefit of it is no physical limits for storage. If you are using digitalization, then it's easy for you that you don't need to have a physical storage place. You don't need to have a store. You don't need to make cupboards for the storage of files, for the storage of your documents. You just make a file, make a document, and just put it on the service, upload it on the service or server, or upload to the or send to the concerned person who is needed it. You don't need to have store it in the storage places like big cupboards, etc. Even though if you are need of your data, if now you are working manually, then if any customer or any employee need data, then you just go to the store, you just searching out in the cupboards, and this will take too much time, and the task will not be completed on time, and it will disturb the whole process of the whole process, and this task will be completed in by wasting too much time. But if you are using digitalization, if you are using this data management system, you just by one click, you just send the information to the concerned person. So the next benefit of digitalization is that it increases safety of any critical data. As public sectors have most critical data of their customers, anything. So all organization wanted to secure that critical data, that it will be not shown or disclosed to the competitor or to the general public. Many kind of data that will be need to be hide from the public for the from the competitor, for the competitor, so that your competitive advantage will be sustained and will be run in the longer run. So the critical data will be safe and more secure if you are using these data management software. What you need to do, if you want to hide these data, and you have a fear of stolen of this data, any critical data, you just make a file, and you just make it in a zip folder. So just you, the right person that needs it, will open that data and file, and save the data in his laptop. Otherwise, no other person will have access to that data. So the data safety and security is more increased in these softwares. So the next benefit is that many users can access a digital file at the same time. If you have made a document, even if you are make a training program for your employees, a small training program like we are delivering to you, your boss or your leader or your manager, he just make a proper file and just upload it in the group, and every employee has access to that file at the same time. But if you are working manually, one person wants to have these detail about the training program or about any project discussion. He just it will take months or weeks to access to that data. So these are the main benefits of digitalization. So if you are going to adopt digitalization in your workplace, then it will not only increase the productivity but also the efficiency, and your competitive advantage will be sustained for longer period of time. The next point is objectives. So what basically the need, the purpose of our training program, what we want to achieve. Objective of our training program is that we want to change the employee of our public sector from manual to digital system, because as there is running the situation of COVID-19, every business, every other country has make their businesses progresses day by day. But what happened in Pakistan, the people don't know how to use these softwares and how to utilize these software efficiently for their productivity and efficiency of work and productivity. So our main function is to transform these employees to use this digital information, digital transformation and digitalization and latest technology for the betterment of their own organization, their own personal career, and also for the economy of their country.